load 143 of the castle. Alright everyone, some time passed and it got dark and I kept working in the dark, but seeing as though my camera can't work in the dark and the tide was coming in, I didn't want to go and get the headlamp. Oh, this is the remnants from the first destroyed castle. We're gonna start picking them all up and putting them back together. I missed a bunch of stuff, but long story short, I put 2 or 3 extra posts in and I got 3 loads of stone, which isn't great, but it's a little bit of progress. Yeah, thanks.
Danley had some thoughts, no one know if they are his, but he quilled them on the page and they go like this.
Alrighty, we got one more load unloaded on a little pile. We're going to look for a post. Hopefully we'll be able to use the post to make a sort of a retaining wall of sorts. I see one over there and it looks perfect. I'm just not sure if it's going to be light enough for me to be able to lift it. I'm going to drag it one way or another though. I'm sure I'll find a way. I've managed to recruit hired help. This hired help will help me get more wood to the castle faster. This right here is my little thingamajig. What do you think of the thingamajig?
Not bad.
Oh, I see. Fair enough.
The lagoon is dry.
Yes, the lagoon is indeed dry. It has evaporated with the wind and heat. Little of it as there is. Might even be just right for the big one. Might need a smaller one for the small one. If it doesn't fit all the way to the top. Oh, it does. Strap that in. I can always slap another stick on to make it stick up taller. Maybe the fat one at the bottom, yeah. Perfect.
Okay, try that in.
Alrighty.
A few more boulders.
Yes. Alrighty. We moved the stick from all the way over there. Oh, you right? We dragged it and we heaved it and we hauled it and we got it in there. Now I'm going to dig a hole, put it in there. We'll have another post. Oh, alright. I've got to dig a hole over there.
Welcome to war, you lit the fuse, I'm grinning. I only joined the game when I already see me winning. Did the scouting, did the mad trick, every little pattern. You flex online in captions, I'm the fault line in your tavern.
I've made a small hole. I'll put that in there and put stones around it hopefully.
Crafting on my sword from the names that you were chanting. Melt them down in my furnace, turn your praise into my branding. Welcome to the war that you started. I will finish it. I only join the game when I know that I'll be winning it. Shield wall up, you can't cross that border. Your squad's about to be put out of order. Only words in the corner. You're just talking. You drew the line, I turned it to a circle. Close it in around you, now your brave face looking hurtful. Every boast, every bark was a spark in my ledger. Now I'm cashing every debt you wrote in public under pressure. You brought a post, I brought a battle plan. You brought a lap track, I march a silent clan.
Road number 2.
You swing first, miss, then you blame the vision. I trained in the dark, now I fight with precision. Welcome to the war that you started. I will finish it. I only join the game when I know that I'll be winning it. Shield wall up, you can't cross that border. Your squad is about to be put out of order. Only words in the corner.
I know you can't see it, but I've started work on a second castle. Far, far away. You see that little light there? You go across from that light there. Just above my finger is construction of the second castle. Well, we got load number 3. But I don't know if you can see anything more, but I added a tiny piece of string between the 2 middle posts and added a new post, and we're about to put some more stones on it. But seeing as though you can't see, I will end episode 143 here.
I love moving stones, this is how I live. You can throw your storms, I got more to give. I will keep on doing it till your fire's gone.
No, I've got top
I
on.
win by attrition, cause I'm still here at dawn. I count the loads, little crooked wall, still it's mine to own. Sweat in my eyes, shirt stuck to my skin. Every you can't, you drop, go straight in the bin. You bring big speeches, I bring one more trip. You swing with drama, I answer with grip. I love moving stones.